Today on this beautiful sunny afternoon, we are here in Austell, Georgia, seeing intermodals, SD60E rescues, and more. Our first train looks to be a C6M leading a -9 and another C6M. After that southbound rolls through, another intermodal comes, and it looks like it's northbound this time. A DC Jiva leads this intermodal train.
Oh God, he's speeding. Is that an ace? Train.
This is right, so we can't record. Do you want us to go
After that northbound passes, the southbound 28J rolls through here at Austell with a UP duo in the lead. After southbound 28J goes, I realize that I hear another train, and it looks like it's on this close track next to me. And it looks like it's a rescue SD60 duo going to rescue this presumably 218. It's been a while. That's why I've decided that I'm going to put it out every week. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next week.